From
yeah,
Nyeri?
yeah.
From Kekondi to the Karende and Kaheti.
Yes.
So just about 10 kilometers.
Kahiti is that school I went to?
Yes.
Oh.
Actually, you
I
accept.
went for the church.
And Your Excellency, you gave a commitment to people of Kaheti. So when I was there, I told them you keep your word. I think it was really.
That is now ile nilikwambia iko na maneno.
Okay. So
From here, and then it joins here.
Kahiti. Karendi. But is that from?
Kamune, Karende, and then Kekondi.
Okay.
So
10 kilometers.
Okay. Haya, sasa unisaidia hapo ndio nisikue mtu ya kuongea.
Aturudishie msichana wetu. Ameoa hapa kama ilikuwa ni ngumu. Aturudishie msichana wetu alafu akae.
Na shida unajua? Wapi ya huko wakenda anaenda na watoto.
Karriera. This is the sample section that we have completed, Your Excellency. This is how it was originally when we were working on it, and this is the 4.5, the way it is as it is now. So the contractor has kicked off, starting from Rutune, coming towards where we are.
To be fair, this contractor has really tried because he's operating on old rates. Yeah? Okay. And we've come now, because of the instructions, we've come for him to move. Yeah? So,
but you know, hii barabara tulianzisha zamani.
Yeah, tunasema his old rate 30 something. Yeah? And now the operating rate is almost 50. Okay. So we're trying to see how to help.
Your Excellency, where you see Maseno to Kareti,
yes,
that is connecting Nyeri County to Kirinyaga.
Yeah.
So this is India.
From Mishamara Dangati hii mpaka Maseno, anything has been done?
Not yet.
Even artworks?
No, the artworks are on this other side. Okay. So Maseno to Kareti, that is going to India at GK's place.
The problem here, this side, they don't have alternative road completely here. So they have started here, but of course, definitely we'll support him to do all of it.
Then Rotune Kemadi here is Kiharu. All of that. That is Kiharu. In Muranga.
Kiharu.
Yeah, because Nyeri.
Yeah.
But is the one Rutune Kimadi, is it done?
It's not done.
Not yet, no. By the way, all of it is 45 kilometers, the entire road. Okay. So this is where we are starting.
Okay. Lakini na nyuma tutarudi namna gani? Huko tuende Kimadi? Kama itapangwa.
I think it is part of this.
We are just launching once here. This is the road.
And then they will do.
Hii ukifanya Your Excellency, you are connecting Kagushia, Dedi Nyoro and GK. GK. Thank you.
Tuendelee.
Baada ya Mheshimiwa Rais kuelekezwa kwenye ramani, sasa atafungua maandishi ya kumbukumbu. Unveiling the plague. Makofi mazuri wananchi kwa Mheshimiwa Rais baada ya kufungua rasmi ujenzi wa barabara hii. Thank you, Your Excellency. Wapi shangwe na vigelegele kumkaribisha Mheshimiwa Daktari William Ruto, Rais wetu. Wakati huu Mheshimiwa Rais ataachilia vifaa vya kazi. Unveiling. At the count of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Makofi kwa Mheshimiwa Daktari William Ruto. Barabara sasa itajengwa. Tuendelee kumshangilia wananchi. Shangwe na vigelegele. Makofi mazuri. Hongera. Hongera Mheshimiwa Daktari William Ruto kwa ujenzi wa mabarabara. Hongera, hongera Mheshimiwa Rais.